Hey y'all, welcome back to FlyafterFifty, no spaces. I'm your Fly.D and I'm back with another video. Y'all, it is Foundation Friday. So using my camera, my GoPro's still broken, but I've been liking these videos I've done. So hopefully I can stay in my little spot and it won't get blurry. Okay, on to the video. First of all, I've already prepped my face. I have my I've already moisturized and I'm ready for my primer. But before I put that on, let me tell you a little bit about the foundations I'm going to be using. This is a bougie foundation Friday, okay? I'm going to be using a Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate Soft Radiant Foundation and Concealer. All right, yeah, I've had these, but these okay, the foundation. I have it in 10.5. There are about 40 shades, and I think like 6 or 7 darker than the one that I have, which is 10.5 Mocha. So it has SPF 50 in it, which, as you know, SPF 50, ooh, when it has SPF in it, you're not really getting that total SPF 50 because you're not putting that much on. So make sure you put some of the SPF on. You get 1 fluid ounce for $150. It's medium full, radiant. It has hyaluronic acid, some nourishing oils in there, and of course the SPF 50 and light diffusing powders. So this is what it looks like. It's very heavy and nice. Has Tom Ford right here, and then down here is the name of the product. It does have a pump. Now for the concealer, this comes in 20 shades. I have 6W0 Terra, and there's about 4 after this one. This one comes with 0.18 fluid ounces, and it costs $95. Still has that luxe heavy feeling here. And it claims to be crease proof, waterproof, to smooth, to moisturize, high dark under eyes, fine lines, be 12 hours, sweat, humidity, and waterproof. I don't have any Tom Ford primer, so I'm going to be using this Hourglass primer, the Vanish Airbrush primer. So yeah, let's get on into it. Oh, wait a minute. Where's my sponge at? I'm going to be putting it on with a sponge, but I left it.
So good at staring at me.
Anyway.
I'm just saying, if you wasn't staring at me so much, you would have been with your sponge.
Thank you.
But that's all right, baby.
So I'll be using a sponge. So let's get started. Just ignore him. Alright, so let's look at these shades. So in the foundation, I have 10.5 Mocha. There it is, and it's a little bit runny, but it looks like a pretty shade. And then for the Tom Ford, I have 6W, for the concealer, I have 6W. Oh man, it won't be light enough. So it's just going to, there won't be no illumination. Maybe I'll use a lighter powder to get that to work. First of all, we're going to go in with the Tom Ford foundation. Doesn't feel really light. It doesn't feel heavy, but it's not like really light. Okay, let's start blending it in. Okay, so there's my base on. I just felt like I kept seeing streaks on it. I said, oh, this is magnetized. Ooh, I did think I was going to be blown away. It looks nice, but I thought I was going to be like, wow, you know? It looks good. See right here? No, right here. Is that my skin? Alright, let's get to the concealer. It's not going to lighten up anything because it's my shade. It's even seems like it's more of a correcting shade. So I'm just going to put it on these areas. It feels nice. It feels nice. Alright, that's it with the concealer. And I'm going to set it with this Givenchy Prism Libre powder. That's the one with the different colors in there. Hopefully that'll brighten it up a little bit. See all the colors in there. Oh, I got a brush. Alright, so I have that on. Everything feels good. My face feels good. I got the concealer on with some powder. I think it looks good. So I'll be back in a little bit with my finished look, tell you how it's looking, and then come back at the end of the day so you can see how everything wore or what the stain time was. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I am back. This is my finished look. I went totally bougie, totally luxury, and it looks pretty good. I thought I'd be more, you know, like, wow, look at this. So I used the Tom Ford Quad. I got this from the cosmetics store, the Leopard Sun. I used this eyeshadow to do this look. I didn't record it, but like these three here are satins, and this here is like a topper. And I had to go in with my black for the outer V because there's no color to deepen it out with. I mean, they were easy to use, but not complete. And I definitely would never pay full price for a Tom Ford Quad ever in my life. Again, I did buy one, and this one was like 50% off or something like that. But yeah, anyway, back to this video, because I didn't record that, so why am I talking about it so much? But yeah, back to this video. This is the finished look. I think it all came together very nicely. Looks good, looks good. It doesn't feel like heavy on my face or anything. It feels very light, very nice. And even the concealer, I like it under my eyes. One day if they have a sale, I may get a lighter color, but for right now, this is it. So this is the finished look. The time is 12:38. I don't have anything to do today. I'm just going to get my toes done because y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and log off right now. I'll be back at the end of the day to show you how everything wore and how everything's looking together. Hey y'all, I'm back. It's the end of the day. It's about 10 minutes to 8. And I'm back just doing my final check-in. My makeup still looks the same. I have to be honest. I am not impressed with this shade Illuminate foundation. For $150, I am not impressed with it at all. I've had my other two Tom Ford foundations perform better than this, and I have other foundations, high-end and drugstore, that look better than this at the end of the day. So, okay, I'm just going to use this as a first impressions because I'm going to try it a few more times just to get the feel of it because I'm using that foundation, okay? But yeah, I'm just not, I am not impressed. I am not impressed. My face looks good. Of course, and I have normal to dry skin, but I think I was just expecting more. As a matter of fact, it feels a little dry. To be honest, I feel a little dry. So I don't know. So my first impressions can you see that? Am I doing that right? Like, it's like this. Not good, not bad. Just meh. So we'll try it again, and I'll come back and let you know what my other thoughts are on it. But y'all, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate all of you. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season with your family and with your friends. Remember, God is still in control. Be blessed in all things, y'all. And until I see you in another video, stay fly, sis. Hey y'all, I am back. This is still Foundation Friday. Well, this is actually Friday because I filmed my Foundation Friday on Thursday. But I wanted to come on because, like I said in that clip right before this, or before this, I was going to keep trying the foundation. So today I put it on and I was like, I feel like it might be because it's so dull looking. You know, it looked dull. So I added this Auric Glow Lust on top of it, and now I like how it looks. So apparently, this $150 foundation needs a little glow inside of it for me to like it. So I don't know if that means I need to find another shade, which I'm not. This is it. This is it. So to make this foundation work, I have to use some kind of glowy product to add to it to make it look better. And I really do like the way that it looks today. But I just wanted to come on here real quick and tell y'all that I want to record it with my real camera and on my phone so that you can see how it's looking. But yeah, I like this so much better. Alright y'all, that's the video. I'll see you in the next one.